Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5063P. It's a 2023 Ram Promaster with only 48,000 K. This one is the Promaster 2500 model. It's a long wheelbase. It's not your full extended one, but it is a long wheelbase. So you do have 12 feet from the bottom of the bulkhead to the back door. There's plenty of room to stand up and walk around in here. You know, you're got nearly 6.5 feet of interior room, so it's great for cabinet shops or delivery drivers, anybody like that that might be lugging around some larger materials for delivery. Work well for construction companies as well, for lugging materials and tools and stuff to and from job sites. This one's also got nice plywood lined walls, so you don't have to worry about anything falling and dinging the van from the inside out. So the van itself is really nice and straight and clean. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt cruise. There's also Bluetooth as well. Seating position, everything in these is nice and comfortable. It's got nice seats, they're fairly adjustable as well. So for long hauls, a van like this is fantastic, especially if you're doing, again, any sort of highway delivery. This would be a great option for you. Again, stock number 5063, a 2023 Ram Promaster cargo van.